Welcome back. In this class, you will learn how to interact with the home screen of your device. This could be your computer, smartphone, or tablet. For computers, interacting with the home screen depends on the operating system you are using. Below are instructions for interacting with the home screen on two common operating systems. For Windows, access the desktop. The desktop is the home screen on Windows computers. To access it, either press the Windows key on your keyboard or click on the desktop tile or icon in the Start menu. View icons and shortcuts. On the desktop, you'll see icons and shortcuts for various files, folders, and applications. Double-click on an icon to open the corresponding file or launch the application. Organize icons. You can organize icons on the desktop by dragging them to different positions or grouping them into folders. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop and select View to change the icon size, arrange icons, or show and hide desktop icons. Change wallpaper. Personalize your desktop by changing the wallpaper. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop. Select Personalize or Properties. Then choose a new background image from the available options. Add widgets, if available. Some versions of Windows may support widgets or gadgets that display information or provide quick access to features directly on the desktop. You can add widgets by right-clicking on the desktop or selecting Gadgets or Widgets. For Mac, access the desktop. The desktop is the home screen on Mac computers. To access it, either click on the Finder icon in the dock or press the F11 key on some keyboards to enter Mission Control and then click on the desktop space. View icons and shortcuts. On the desktop, you'll see icons and shortcuts for files, folders, and applications. Double-click on the icon to open the corresponding file or launch the application. Organize icons. You can organize icons on the desktop by dragging them to different positions or grouping them into folders. Right-click or Control-click on an empty area of the desktop to access options for arranging icons, changing icon size, and creating new folders. Change wallpaper. Personalize your desktop by changing the wallpaper. Go to System Preferences, Desktop and Screensaver, and select a new desktop background from the available options. Add widgets, if available. Mac includes a feature called Dashboard that allows you to add widgets to the desktop. To access Dashboard, press the F4 key or use a multi-touch gesture on the trackpad if enabled. From there, you can add, remove, or rearrange widgets as desired. For smartphones and tablets, navigating the user interface of smartphones and tablets have some similarities. Home screen. Like smartphones, tablets have home screen where you can access apps, widgets, and shortcuts. Apps. Tap on an app icon to open it. You can organize apps into folders and move them around by long pressing and dragging. Navigation. Tablets often have on-screen navigation buttons or gestures for navigating between screens, going back, and accessing the home screen. Menus and settings. Access menus and settings by tapping on the respective icon, usually represented by 3 vertical dots or lines, depending on the device. Notifications. Swipe down from the top of the screen to view notifications and access quick settings. Search. Many tablets have a search function to quickly find apps, files, settings, and information within the device. Customization. Tablets often offer options to customize the interface, such as changing wallpapers, themes, or rearranging icons. Updates. Keep your tablet updated with the latest software updates for optimal performance and security. While there may be some differences in layout and functionality between smartphones and tablets, the basic principles of navigation remain the same. Explore your device and practice using its features to become more familiar with its user interface. See you in the next class.